Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we're going to talk about the best method to synchronize Lendio data with bookkeeping apps. Now the best method to do this is to maintain a single consistent source of financial truth. When Lendio is connected to bookkeeping softwares, funding activities, cash flows, and key transactions stay aligned across platforms without manual intervention. This synchronization reduces errors that are caused by duplicate entries and outdated records. It also improves reporting accuracy, making it much easier to track profitability, to manage expenses, and to prepare for taxes. With data flowing automatically, financial reviews becomes faster and more reliable. By keeping Lendio and your bookkeeping apps in sync, businesses gain better visibility into their financial health. Decisions are based on accurate real-time information rather than assumptions, allowing owners to plan confidently and of course operate with greater financial clarity. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.